Wrap it up, the art of gift wrapping. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a practical English phrase, wrap a gift. Whether it's for a birthday, an anniversary, or the holiday season, knowing how to describe this process in English can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started. Wrap a gift is a phrase that means to cover a gift in wrapping paper or another decorative material before giving it to someone. It's not just about concealing the item, but also about presentation and thoughtfulness. Before we start wrapping, we need to gather some materials: wrapping paper, scissors, tape, and optionally, ribbons or bows for decoration. 1. Measure the wrapping paper around the gift. 2. Cut the paper to size. 3. Fold the paper neatly over the gift and secure it with tape. 4. Add a ribbon or a bow for that extra touch. Choose high-quality wrapping paper that's easy to fold. Make crisp folds for a neat look. Use double-sided tape for a cleaner finish. That's a wrap on Wrap a Gift. We hope this video makes your next gift-giving occasion a little more special and a lot more fun. Happy wrapping, and see you in our next English learning adventure.